Hi everyone, George Burnett with Covers and Camo Custom Seat Covers. We've just finished installing these seat covers on this 2012 Toyota Tundra, and check it out. This is Kryptek Raid trim with a simulated Ostrich insert. Fantastic looking. Check it out. This customer chose to go with the Kryptek Raid for the trim and Ostrich for the inserts here. Headrests are out of the Kryptek Raid, lid cover out of the Ostrich, and then the options that they chose, the pistol pocket here on the front. So that's our pistol pocket here. Velcro's on and off. You can take that, put the pistol in it, and tear this on off, come back and reinstall right there. The pistol holster on this side right here, they added that to it. The MOLLE pocket over on the passenger side. And on the back side of the seat, one of the best options is our ops package. 8 total pockets, carries your guns, your gear. That is really a great setup. I'm going to show you now some of the options that they chose and that you could choose as well. This is the MOLLE pocket for the front. They did it on the passenger side of the seat. We call it a MOLLE pocket because it has the MOLLE webbing on the front side of this pocket. It's sewn on securely here to the top edge. Again, with that MOLLE webbing, you can clip on a pocket knife on the front here. You can clip on air pressure gauge. There's just a lot of different accessories in the MOLLE webbing world that you can put on the front side of this. Again, sewn on here. It Velcro's open and closed. Okay, so here's the Velcro. It has a kind of a thumb opening here, and then I kind of like to zip it open like that. Then it is a nice deep pocket, big enough for a large flashlight to go on the bottom, or again, it was originally designed for a pistol to go on the bottom down there. Okay, let me show you another option. This is the pistol pocket. This pocket is a removable pocket. It's padded, removable, and it's really designed for a pistol. So it's padded, and then it has velour inside. In here you can kind of see the kind of crushed velour. Here, let me use a cell phone. We didn't bring a pistol on this install with us. So let me just tuck a cell phone into here. It has sew lines here, so it kind of holds that barrel right here, so your handle is always right at the top edge then, okay? And then there's 2 kind of magazine pockets on each side then. You can kind of look at this and envision a magazine on each side with your pistol here. So that is, again, removable. Velcro's closed, and then Velcro's on. So many manufacturers put airbags in the sides of the seats now, and so we have accommodations for that airbag to deploy real easily. There's just a Velcro tab right there. It trims out real nicely, as you can see, but then it just is able to deploy, boom, right through this, and this airbag that's built right in this section of the seat right there is going to be able to deploy in case of a side impact. Everything's going to fold function with levers that are accessible, seat belts. It's great fits around this 60/40 back seat. The headrests are made to fit that particular headrest, not a generic. These are all custom built to fit this year, make, and model. Okay, well, thanks for watching as we show you through the finished look of these seat covers on this 2012 Toyota Tundra. The customer chose Kryptek Raid trim and Ostrich insert with pistol holster, pistol pocket, MOLLE pocket, ops package. They're gonna love it. You'll love your covers as well. Again, thanks so much.